Okay, hi guys, this is RLC321. This is just coming back with a very quick shaky cam. It's just a very quick video. I've been having problems with this part of the clear pieces. Basically what had happened, my compressor decided to say I'm not working, give a great big massive spurt of power and blasted a load of orange right in the middle. I thought, okay, it's fine, I'll just tip it upside down and it'll be fine. But the problem with that is, what happened then, it all started creating a white crystalline structure in the middle of the nacelle and the collector here. Yeah, you can't see it now, but that's what had happened. So right in this side here, where is it? In this part there where my finger's moving now, that was all covered in like a white crystalline structure. So I had to try and get rid of it. What a palaver it was. I've soaked it in my cleaner just there, which is this one. It's got ammonia and it's got alcohol in it. Soaked it in that for a little while to get it nice and clean. It didn't do a good job, as you can see, so then I had to go in and sand it, and obviously as I sanded it, there was more scratches than I wanted in there. Oh dear, it was just a pain in the backside, and you couldn't, it's because it's concave and it's shaped, it's this awkward angle. Yeah, so I had to cut off some of these shaving pads that I've got. So we got like what flavour is this one? This one is the 600, then it goes to the 400. Yeah, 400, and not that one. Then this, yeah, no, this one, which is the 240, to this one, which is the 1000, to try and get it, and I've managed to get it to what it looks like now, like this. These were the sanding pads. I don't know if you even saw what I was even looking at there, because I wasn't even looking at the screen, so I do apologize. Yeah, but it's left all marks and burrs and whatnots in it as well. I also figured out what the problem was of why the LEDs were overheating. Basically, this was actually causing a reaction to it and making it overheat. As soon as I took the clear glue, the hot glue off, cooled down immediately and working perfectly fine. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that one. Okay. I still may use hot glue, but I'm thinking about maybe pushing it inside here somehow. But trying to put hot glue in there is going to be a royal pain in the backside. I might have to try and find out other ways of diffusing it, like maybe get some sheet styrene or thin sheet styrene or something like that. Maybe that would help. I don't know. I'm going to have to look into that a little bit more. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick little video there just to show you what I've done, and I may just give this a quick paint over with some of the gloss in there, just to see if that will help it get a bit better. But anyway guys, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I just wanted to show you some of my mistakes, because they do happen and I do make mistakes. Oh yeah, but everybody makes mistakes. Whoever says otherwise is telling porkies. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.